Hello everyone, today I will show you how to auto-detect fillable field in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option. Select. Now select Start. This automatically detected this field as a text field. Now click Preview option. Now here you can type text, number, another symbol. See this symbol already type. Yeah, automatically detected this field as a text field. Now simply select close and save as a from as a fillable PDF. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.